In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover your learning style and find what works best for you. Understanding your learning style can significantly enhance your ability to absorb and retain information, so let's dive right in. First, it's important to familiarize yourself with the common learning styles. While everyone is a blend of different styles, most of us tend to lean towards one or two predominant methods of learning. The first style is visual. If you are a visual learner, you might find that you absorb information best through images, charts, videos, and color coding. These tools help organize and clarify complex ideas, making them easier to understand. Next, we have auditory learners. If you find yourself preferring listening to explanations through discussions, lectures, or podcasts, then this might be your dominant learning style. Auditory learners excel when they can hear and engage with spoken information. Then there's the reading and writing style. People who prefer this style enjoy engaging with text. They might like making lists, reading textbooks, or writing summaries of what they've learned. The physical act of writing can help reinforce their understanding and memory. Lastly, we have kinesthetic learners who thrive on hands-on experiences. If this is your style, you might learn best through practicing, experimenting, and applying concepts in real-world scenarios. Movement and direct involvement can be vital for your learning process. Once you understand these styles, take a moment to reflect on your past learning experiences. Think about whether you remember information better when you see it, like in diagrams or on slides, or if hearing explanations works best for you. Consider if you naturally gravitate towards taking notes and rereading them, or if trying things out helps you grasp concepts more quickly. Your reflections on these experiences can reveal your dominant learning style or styles. To further explore, try conducting a mini experiment. Choose a single topic and attempt to learn it using 4 different approaches. Watch a YouTube video for a visual learning experience, listen to a podcast for an auditory approach, read an article, and take notes to incorporate reading and writing, and finally, do a hands-on exercise or simulation to engage the kinesthetic style. Pay attention to which method feels most comfortable and helps you retain information the longest. If you're curious for more insights, consider taking a learning style quiz. There are several free quizzes available, like VARC or other learning preference tests. These can provide additional perspectives, but remember, they should serve as a starting point rather than a definitive label. Ultimately, the goal is to build a hybrid approach because most people learn best by combining different styles. For instance, you might pair visual elements with reading by using diagrams alongside summaries, or combine auditory learning with kinesthetic experiences by listening first and then applying through practice. By being aware of your own preferences and blending these methods, you can develop a personalized and effective way to learn, making your educational journey more engaging and efficient